na sa diha mga model. O niya na ma-expose na nila yung mga project din. So define what is the problem you're trying to solve. Of course, the learners must be able to read and interpret electric meter readings by defining the different concepts related to the reading of electricity. Then, IJ, how many ideas can you come up with, and which idea is most original? So, we have the presentation of the problem to our learners. They posted some problem, then provide dials on a method through PowerPoint. Reading the dials from left to right. So, pag magbasa daw po all dials from left to right. So, dito start. So, na number yan mo, sir? 8, then 1, 7, and 5. So, ilan to siya? 8,175. Okay, then, the idea part, the learners has now the knowledge about the concept. So, that's the idea. Then, the prototype, which idea will you try? What will you design? Okay, so, we have here improvisation of meter reading device. We will be designing an improvised device to showcase the unavailable material. So, ang tawag po na mga device is, sa ganito ma'am, metro kung mahal. Okay, so, ang tawag ko na is metro kung mahal because of the mahal kayo na bill, labi na gano'n kay Ilin na ayon. Ano na naman? Okay, so, ilanap kayo si Ma'am Ronnie din. Okay, siguro nakita ko na siya wala, ginara sa mga ganito sa mic. Okay, mamahalin or minamahal? Okay, so for the test, okay, ato na yung test karon. Okay, how did your prototype work? What can you do to improve the prototype? So, the prototype worked by simply spinning the handy. So, may handy po dali. Ipakita ninyo, tuyok-tuyok ka. Okay, spin lang siya sa